In this video, I'm going to explain how you can add Apple Pay to Cash App. So in order to do this, first you will need a Cash card or a Cash App card, which you can get from pressing this button, following the prompts and just clicking on Get Free Cash Card, going through the process and getting your card that way. Now, if you already have a cash card, then what you have to do is click on this button again and the screen is going to change. It's going to look different. So I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. So it will be something like this. You will have to press on the screen. And as you can see the GIF right here from the official page, if you click on the screen, you will see the option to add a card to Apple Pay. So after you have selected this, then what you have to do is open your Apple Wallet, tap on the plus sign, and it will just take you through the process of actually setting up your card. So remember, you have to have a cash card, and if you have a cash card, then the option can be found right here, the second tab, and you need to scroll down and you can select the option to add your Apple card or a cash card to Apple Pay. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.